Hey friends, you're most welcome to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video, I'm going to be walking with you guys, show you guys the complete introduction to jQuery. We're going to be learning up jQuery, and we're going to be discover with us that actually jQuery comes from what known as JavaScript. It's a JavaScript library. It's very easy to use. It's self-explanatory, and I'm going to be walking with you guys step by step, right from introduction to complete. We understanding how to use jQuery into a real project. So I'm going to break all the things down for you guys so that we can get know where to start from and how to do it out with, or how to work up with jQuery. So I hope you guys, if this is your first time to watch my video, or joining my channel or visiting my channel, I can request you guys to subscribe to my channel so that each time I post a video, you'll always be notified and you'll get always the best out of me. So you guys, thanks for watching this short video. I hope you love it. So if you find it interesting, please share it with your friends and guide them and let them know that actually they can learn jQuery with me in a simple terms. So I'm going to break the things down. I'm going to show you guys what you need to learn. Maybe before I finalize on this video, what again I have to let you guys know, if it is your first time to happen to if it is your first time to maybe to hear about jQuery, or like I've said, I can request you guys to have at least a complete basic on one known as JavaScript. I already have that video with me on my playlist, or you can just look for JavaScript videos that I have with me so that you can always get a chance to learn with me. So I can encourage you guys to be in a position so that you can always have that with me. So guys, thanks for watching this short video. I hope you love it. Thank you.